I hope all you hardworking people are doing well. In this video, my brother and his crew prep to blow fiber. I was originally going to do this job, but got reassigned. So my brother and his team took over. In this video, they prove conduit and jackhammer vault lids so they can access them. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video.
So what we're going to do is we're setting up this machine here. Basically, we're going to have air hoses that connect. Actually, the air hose connects here, and we're going to connect the conduit here to that conduit, and basically we're going to push air down the conduits all the way to the next box, and then once we get air at the next box, we'll couple the next box and just keep going until we have a whole section proofed. So basically that's the process. Do you have those sponges? Did I drop you the sponges? What I did those sponges? Also dropped some lube to you, so I need one thing of lube, and you guys so what we do is we put this lube down the pipe, and then we push it through with a sponge, and what it does is it coats the wall of the pipe and gets it all ready for the fiber. But I can't seem to hold this camera and the lube at once, so wait. Here we go. Loop, loop, loop. Done. That one's lubed. And what you guys are gonna do, you don't have to don't send that whole thing. You can like cut it in half. It's too big. It's too, well, it's just, it'll be a waste. All right, got my lube. We're gonna try blowing like 3,000 feet at once. Oh. Yeah. That's a fast unicycle. Holy mackerel. Me and Man are at the very next box. So we left Lando's box. We moved one box in, up because we're going north. And basically what we have to do is we have to tie that conduit to that conduit with a big loop like this. And this sponge, this random sponge that's in this hole, is the sponge that we sent from Landon's way. So basically what this did was it pushed lube from Landon to here in the pipe. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna re-add the sponge and lube, couple it, Landon will add air again, this sponge will go that way to the next handhold. So let's pretend we're at handhold 15, because we are, then we'll blow to handhold 16. Where's the lube at, man? So watch this. So this will go down here like this. Right in the hole there. Kind of push it in. And then we'll add the lube, add the conduit, then it'll blow through our new loop, just like that. You see? This loop connects where Landon is to the box over there. So now we're headed that way. All right, we're headed to the next box. Here we go.
Right here.
Hey, Lando, go ahead and put air on it.
Do you want me to send another sponge?
No, I've got a sponge loaded up. Go ahead and just put air on it. Did you already load up a sponge?
No, I'm sending it now.
Here we go. Ah! Sponge. What's for dinner? Alright, we got it. This is actually box 17. Last one was 16. Got our sponge. Now we're gonna couple the orange to the orange and do it to box 18. And we're just gonna keep doing this all day long probably. Showed them on the last one, but just like the last box, we're gonna put the sponge right in here. You see? Like so. Every time. I guess we're gonna put this coupler on, and then I'm gonna try getting that one on. We're in for Lanford to put some air on this one. It's probably gonna have water in it, so oh yep, take a look. This will be good to go. So he's pushing air this box, and it's about too active for this sponge person and the next kit.
Did you get it?
No, you're blowing water. Keep blowing. Oh, goody. This one's rotating.
Yeah, but the blue one does too, doesn't it?
The blue one's got rotate. Alright, go ahead and put some air on it.
Did you put your foot on it, Court?
Alright, I just did.
Is your air on, Lando?
Yeah.
I bet we blew a coupler. Hey buddy, I think I blew a coupler somewhere.
Okay, I turned it off.
Oh no, it's fine.
What the fuck?
Have him add a little air and see if you can hear it whistling really bad.
Hey Lando, put some air on it.
Okay.
All we've done so far is that one, this one, and that one, right?
Alright, put me on it now.
Okay.
It's leaking a little bit.
We're uncovering these manholes because when the city came and redid all these roads, they buried them under the asphalt. So we've got one done, or partially done so far, and then we got two that way, and then I don't know how many that way. I haven't been down that way yet, but basically we're just gonna go out and uncover
That's
these
to be able to
throughout the day.
open the manhole.